presenting the Realme Narzo 20 Pro. The phone comes in color options of White Knight and Black Ninja. The phone has display of 16.51 cm, 6.5 inch. The phone also has no signs of wear and full HD Plus display. It has 48MP AI quad camera. It has 16MP Sony front camera and 48MP plus 8MP plus 2MP plus 2MP 16MP front camera. It comes with 4500 mAh lithium-ion battery. It is powered by Helio G95 gaming, MediaTek Helio G95 processor and carbon fiber cooling system processor. It also features cooling system, fingerprint scanner, and front camera. Dual_SIM and camera. The delivery box contains handset, adapter and SIM card tool. Screen protect film, case, and quick guide. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.